What if I told you the biggest money in the world is not made by humans but by machines? Hidden behind screen secret codes and powerful algorithms. There is a world where billions are made in seconds. This is the world of quant hedge fund. A quant hedge fund is a company that uses math, data, computers, algorithm to make trading decisions instead of human emotion. They use machine and logic. One of the most famous examples is Resonance Technology, created by Jim Simon. Their secret fund made huge profit for many years. Big quant fund use super fast computer. They can buy and sell millisecond, track thousands of stock at once, react faster than any humans. This is called high frequency trading. By the time you click buy, they already made profit. Quant fund don't use normal data. They use social media trends, news sentiment, satellite image, even shopping data. If people buy more product, they predict company growth before news come out. Normal investors don't have access to this level of data. Quant fund never reveal their strategy. Why? Because their algorithm are the biggest secret. Even employee don't know full system, work on small part only. This keep everything hidden. Some strategies can move price quickly, create fake demand or panic, even if not illegal always. It can affect small investor badly. Retail trader often react late. These systems are powerful but not perfect. If algorithm fail, huge losses in second. Market crashes can happen. Example, flash crash in global market. Machine can also make mistake. In India, such fund operate under Securities and Exchange Board of India rules. They are a part of category III AIFS. India is still growing in quant investing, but the future is coming fast. Don't try to compete with machine. Instead, focusing on long-term investing, learning basics of market, avoid emotional trading. Remember, big player with speed, you can with patience. Quant hedge fund are powerful, but they are not magic. Behind every algorithm, there is a risk. Don't chase secret, build knowledge.